There's got to be something better I can do with the rest of my life besides just carrying on with living paycheck to paycheck.
I want to be successful in my business. Then I want to be a example for the people.
I learned to be a seller, to be an entrepreneur in Amazon.
I think the presentation and the opportunities that was demonstrated was some of the things that convinced me to do what I did today.
He actually has a lot of humor and style. And he's a great mentor, you could tell, because he'll make it easier for you to understand a few things. Sometimes it takes me a couple times to learn something, and once he mentioned things, it was easy for me to pick up.
I saw the lot of good review, and I think that it is a lot of opportunity.
I feel that there's potential for success, if I do it right, if I follow the steps as provided by my coach.
You have to come with an open mind and explore it for yourself.
I feel like everything is happening online. Amazon is where I do shopping.
Amazon is actually growing, exponentially. It's actually more or less taken over, and it's working with most of the retailers that we are familiar with.
I can be example for someone. If I can do, you can do that.
Just have faith. If you feel like this is right for you, just do it and go for it.
You can change your destiny. What has happened in the past, you can't do anything about it. But today is your present.
I'll encourage anybody that is looking for an opportunity to probably explore online business to attend a seminar and make a decision and get involved sooner rather than later.
Ordinary people are actually achieving, tremendous results, and if they can do it, I can do it, and I believe everybody else can also do it.